Hey guys, it's Josh here for Remax. Thanks for tuning in. I'm down in Kirkendall this afternoon in front of one of my newest listings here at 143 Homewood Avenue. This one just hit the market last week on Thursday. It's a beautiful duplex set up into 2 different units. The main level, you've got a 2-bedroom unit. Downstairs is a 1-bedroom, completely renovated in the last 3 months. Out back has a nice little patio area with courtyard and a detached double garage in the back. Come on in and have a look.